trying to get some tacos.
She pushing me. She pushing me.
We just trying.
Stop putting your fingers in my coochie.
Welcome to another vlog. I'm gonna do my hair. We'll finish my hair on live. And I don't know what I'm about to do, but yeah, this is 32 inch, but it's giving 28, but whatever.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me. For me, oh, for me. Pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Would've been a few hours, but it felt like days.
This is my little homeboy, y'all. Anyway, y'all already know who that is. Y'all already know who that is.
Reagan. Light skin Reagan.
Alright. Why my eyes so red?
Welcome to Dallas, everybody fucking
Put my glasses back on my face.
You.
Ain't no one to be saying, unhand me. Unhand me. I'm gonna do me a special. Unhand me. Ain't no one to be saying.
We're just trying to get some tacos.
She pushing me. She pushing
We're
me.
just trying to get some
Domestic
tacos.
violence.
We're just trying to get some tacos.
Domestic violence.
We just trying to get some tacos.
Me too.
That's it.
Daddy, tell me what happened to the last person that put their hands on me. I'm finna get a check. There you go. Go ahead.
Not you open the door. You're a gentleman.
Yeah, and she crazy. Only thing I do.
You playing that gentleman role, ain't
Only
you?
thing I do is cook.
You playing that gentleman role, ain't you?
Cook and work.
And what? And what?
Give it a little head.
Ah!
You right about it.
$50 for a dollar.
Wait, it's okay. It's okay. Let's get what we want to play in the car.
Do it without an album.
You want to do it in...
I just show up Mariah. Real nigga, I'm on fire. Icy is 100 and Philly nigga, I'm like,
Come on, man. I got this. I got two.
hey, the rest in peace to the she putting her fixes in my coochie. You know what I'm talking about? Gangsta moving stylists, nigga. Stop putting your fingers in my coochie.
Oh, that's gonna be the start of the vlog right there. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good.
Hold on, wait a minute.
Good.
Y'all thought we was finished?
Hey.
Y'all thought we was finished?
Ah!
Miss Sarah, get the car. My Lambo, my new bitch, she gonna roll with me.
This is good. This is good content. Come on. Oh, I'm not drunk. Boy, they childish. Boy, y'all childish. Okay.
Her titty fat, her body fat. She snorting powder. I don't give a fuck.
Who is that? Who is that snorting pattern?
That bitch in my room. Our taco.
And it's on Bowen.
Man,
And we're trying to get some tacos
last
and
time we went
stuff.
to the wrong one. So
And they left me
no
like,
Bowen.
hey, let's story time.
Where my telephone?
Let's story time. They left me.
Hey.
They left me with a strange guy.
He wasn't a
At the
strange
taco-
guy. He our old friend and he just beat cancer. So he
No.
look a little different.
No, they left
He
me with
just beat
bro.
cancer.
They left me with a strange guy at the
No,
taco place.
he is our old
Bro.
friend. He's our old friend, and he just beat cancer. So he look a little different.
They left me with a strange guy at the taco place.
And
What you got to say about it?
And she stole his $600 glasses.
I give him back. What you got to say about it? Because he was running with that girl last night.
Every time I try it, one look in my eye, you know I'm lying, lying. You were made for me. You were made for me.
I know how to ride. I can spin around and keep the dick still inside. Now you're out wide. Yeah, you running now. Like it's Thanksgiving and it ain't coming until it passes.
Lick to the church, and why is these right here like that? That is weird. Y'all don't think that's weird? I'm headed to church. Well, I'm almost there. I'm like 2 minutes, not less than 2 minutes away. But yeah, y'all think that's weird? Why do they gang up like that? Anyway, hey you guys, church was amazing, and it was all about prayer. So that's what we talked about, or that's what he just preached on, prayer, and I'm real big on that. So yeah, it was a good day to go. Next week I won't be able to go because I'm gonna have to work, but I made it this week. Yep. Anyway, so I'm about to go do this stuff to my car. I'll show y'all. Put this what's it called? Vinyl. What is it called? Wrap. Anyway, I'm gonna put this stuff on my car, and I'm gonna show y'all. Well, yeah. I'm gonna show y'all. Hold on. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. Y'all see how that's silver and it's kind of messed up? I'm gonna take that off and put that pink. So this is the pink I got, and this is the heat gun, and yeah, still in her church clothes, but it's hot out here, and I got a fan that's so ghetto, but yeah, whatever. Anyway, so this is the pink, and yeah, I'm gonna do this right here. Okay, I give up. It's too hot. It's too hot. It's too hot. I have to finish this another day. I just rough cut these out just so I can use my blade. I think I'm about to do a tattoo. I'm currently fixing a tattoo on my foot. That's what I'm doing. Oh, you guys, it hurts. I don't know. I look at him being dumb. Oh, he didn't do it. He didn't do it.
I can't see that.
I don't think it is Saturday night. It is Saturday night. I installed this wig earlier. I was gonna do it on live, but I ended up not doing it. I don't know if I should go live now. Probably not. I think I'm gonna just watch Gina and do my tattoo. Y'all know I've been doing it in sessions because it hurt. This, my baby Rocket, didn't hurt. This didn't hurt. My foot, oh baby, it hurt. Oh, the star, it didn't hurt. My foot, so yeah, that one hurt. So, but I'll see. I'm gonna try to do it right now. Not try. I'm about to do this because I think I'm gonna go somewhere tomorrow, and I don't want to have a half-done tattoo on my foot. Like, I don't want to wear sandals, so we'll see. Getting one more session. It hurts so bad, y'all, but it's coming along. I promise.